Assalamu alaikum everyone, da fatan kuna lafiya. Sunana Safa. In today's recipe, it's a brown pasta. Let's get started. In a pan, add some oil, fry the spaghetti until golden brown. In a boiled water, add the spaghetti and cook until it's 80% done, please. In a frying pan, add some oil, onion, garlic, veggies of your choice, sausage, spices of your choice also. Start to fry, add your spaghetti, red bell pepper, onion, and rosemary leaf, fried egg, shredded fried egg please, and stir. For more tasty and yummy recipes, please don't forget to like, comment, share with family and friends. A Chef Sofmer, Allah ya mana san manzon Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Amin. Shin ko kun san daɗin wannan spaghetti? Kar ku bari a baku labari. Bye.